What? Hold on, Mummy's doing a walk around of the backyard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So many grass seeds in my shoe. So many grass seeds in my shoe. Ooh. I made it. Okay. Whew. Maybe we should ask Jim if we can go across here. Alrighty.
We know what we're doing.
Progress time. Yes, we do. Okay. It's my pile of dirt. Whew. Don't have the right shoes on for this. So, as you can see, we have flattened most of this area. I'm going to finish along here. And then move the trampoline over there and then do this bit. Ugh. So the only issue is we have destroyed our pavers. So yeah, it's really annoying. So we're gonna have to redo that, but we didn't think we could get around the other side because there was a pipe there, and then it turned out the pipe wasn't actually connected to anything, so I just pulled it out. And yeah, I was getting up here and putting it in there, but I can't get the bucket high enough and I can't push that forwards, like it's only a small thing. So I was having to drive up here and I was like, no, I do not want to destroy this lip because this is where we drive up to get into the garage. So yeah, I tried to go across Jim's concrete. I got permission to. Because obviously his concrete is going to be a lot better than pavers that are pathetically cemented in. And it's a tight squeeze, but I can get through those pipes. So anyway, back to work. I might walk this way and show you guys what I meant. Got to do in here, but this will probably just be all shovel. Just got to whip a snipple, mow, weed, probably just weed all that out. But yeah, as you can see, tight squeeze, but we can get through here. And there was a pipe like right here, but it was just open on both ends and just sitting there. So I thought it was important, but wasn't doing anything, so I took it out. And yeah, whew, back to work. So also was a star picket, like half buried in the ground here. I thought it was cement or something, and I was worried because under here is a sewer pipeline, and we're not going deep enough to even risk hitting it. I don't think the kanga would be able to, but I was worried because I hit that and then realised it was a picket. But anyway,
So stupid.
Ryan, what did you do?
I saw you walk out the front and not come back, so I walked out the front door
Ah.
to meet you there, but then you just
Just walked around.
to walk all the way to the back. All this and all that. Need to sweep that, get the thing over first. Here's our destroyed driveway. I'm also pissed off because I didn't go up and down here, but must have been from the weight of the machine on the sand here.
It's cracked our pavers here, which is where we drive up and down, so that's fun. And everyone was judgmental about my ordering a massive 8 cubic meter bin, and it is full. Like, we can't get any more in because the digger doesn't actually lift up high enough to tip in. So yeah, Luke's having a turn. Oh gosh, this is terrifying. You are terrifying. What? You're terrifying. Why don't you just do it smoothly? Oh my god. Yeah, babe, but I haven't driven anything like this. You drive a forklift. Yeah, but you could still do it smoothly. You could still do it not jerkily. That's not the pile I wanted you to pick up, so you've just dug a hole. Watch our house. I'm sorry, but you're very jerky and you're not going in a straight line. God. Now I'm going to walk over this with my shoe. Alright, stop! Get off.